Online students, very good afternoon. Please confirm, am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Online students, please all of you confirm in the chat box. Am I audible? Okay. One important announcement to all. Every day till the e- end of batch means by next weekend at finish your course. So till the end of batch, every day session will be starts at 2:25. Okay, till the end of course, session will be started at 2:25. Online students, please notice that every day session will be starts at 2:25 till the end of course. Okay. So I have at 11:30, I have another batch here in another branch. So I need to travel from there. So it takes some time for traveling and I need to have lunch. After that, I have to travel. So it takes that time. So every day till the end of batch, session will be started at 2:25. Okay. I request you all is please cooperate with me. Okay. Thank you, everyone. In previous session, what we discussed? Huh? Collections. What is collection? It is a set of elements of same type. Why collection? To hold multiple rows. To hold multiple rows, we use it. How many types of collections are there? Three types. What are those? Associative array, hmm? Nested table, and V array. Associative array, nested table, and V array. These are the three types of collections. So yesterday I have given introduction on associative array. What is associative array? Huh? What is associative array? Huh? It is a table of two columns. What are those two columns? Index and element. Why it is making index also? Why it is making index also here? Because index can be varchar 2 also. If index is always number, no need to maintain index. If index is always number, no need to maintain it. But here index can be varchar 2 also. That is why it is maintaining index here. So here index can be number type, index can be varchar 2 also. Both are possible. That is why it is maintaining index also separately. Okay. For example, here 50, 90, 30, 70. All are same type elements. Indexes are here. Indexing starts from 1. So first indexed element 50, second indexed element 90, third indexed element 30, fourth indexed element 70, like this. So what is this X here? X is the collection. Which type of collection? Number type. How to access 50? How to access 50? X of 1. How to access 30? X of 3. That's it. So this is about associative array. How to create it? Creating associative array. Create associative array, follow 2 steps. For associative array, data type is not ready. So define our own data type. Define our own data type. After that, declare variable for our own data type. Follow these 2 steps. How to define our own data type? Syntax is to define our own data type, use the keyword type. Here give type name. Index by element data type we have to do. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. Is table of type name is the table of element data type index by index data type. Easy. Remember this syntax, follow it. No need to put much efforts also. We're not writing lengthy code also. Only one line. Type name is table of. Tell element data type index by index data type. Simple. Suppose if you want to create this one. If you want to create this one. Okay. We need to declare X. To declare X data type is not ready. So I want to define my own data type. My own data type name is num array. Not only this name, any name you can give. Okay, not only num array, any name you can give. I'm giving this name. So by following this syntax, I'm creating new data type here. Observe. Type. Type name. Num array is table of. Tell element data type. What is element data type? Number. Number of 4. Index by. What is index type? Number. Can we write number of 1 like this? No. If index is number, we have to write either binary underscore integer or PLS underscore integer because they work faster. They can directly communicate with device. So binary underscore integer older one, PLS underscore integer is latest one. So make the habit of using PLS underscore integer. Even if you write binary underscore integer, that is nothing wrong. That's it. Maybe in the notes I specified binary underscore integer. So you can use this one also. That's it, sir. This is the way of defining our own data. Next, declaring variable for our own data type. This is not new to you. Declaring variable you already know. From beginning of PL SQL, many variables to declare. Variable name, its data type. For example, variable name X. Which data type? Our own data type. No matter. No matter. Now X is the collection. Okay, this numArray is associative array data type. So X is associative array. No. So this X can hold number type elements, number type indexes. NumArray data type any variable can hold number type elements, number type indexes. NumArray data type any variable can hold number type elements, number type indexes. That's it. Now you know how to define our own data type, and you know how to declare variable for our own data type. Now I want to write the program now. First program, an associative array. Example on associative array. Create an associative array as followed. So this X associative array I want to create. This is my requirement. So to declare X data type is not ready. So we need to define our own data type. How to define you already know. So the declaration part. The declaration part. Define our own data type. How to define our own data type? Type, type name. Any name you can give. You can give your name also. Type name is identifier. Identifier means name. Any name you can give. I am giving name as numArray is a table of element data type. Number of index by index data type. PLS underscore integer. Declare variable for our own data type X numArray. With this, what happens now? X will be created. Because of X is a numArray data type, numArray is associative array data type. So X will be created with two columns, index and element. So like this, X created, sir. With this declaration, X created. As of now, no elements are. So to bring elements in the X, we need to write like this. X of 1 colon equals to 50. Assignment. In the X of 1, we are storing 50. In the X of 2, we are storing 90, like this. Like this, you can store the elements. Instead of this, there is one collection constructor is there. So constructor means this data type name and the constructor name will be same. So there is one collection constructor is there, numArray. NumArray. So this pass the elements as arguments 50, 90, 30, 70. That's it. What is this numArray? Collection constructor. So in Java, you learn constructor is a special method. Like that here, numArray, it is a special function. and function you are calling. Java constructor bringing values into object. Our collection constructor bringing values into collection. To bring values like this into collection, call this collection constructor. Okay, in front of this, write like this: x colon equals to. So in the x, these elements will be stored. That's it, sir. So we got values now. How to print them? dbms underscore output dot put underscore line x of 1, 50 will be printed. X of 2, 90 will be printed. X of 3, 30. X of 4, 70. Repetitive statement. Can we use loop here? Yes. Assume index is as I am using for loop here. For I in lower index value. 1 upper index value. 4 loop and loop. It prints all elements. But instead of writing 1 dot dot 4 like this, to access first index, there is one member is there, x dot first. X is the collection name, first is the collection member. X dot first means we get first index, x dot last means we get last index. X dot first returns first index, x dot last returns last index. That's it, sir. This is the code for creating associative array and printing those associative array elements. Did you get some ideas, sir? Can you tell the code now? Online students, are you following? See here, the new file. Observe. Tell me the code, sir. What we need to write now? If you want to create this X associative array like this is our requirement. We want to create this X associative array. This is our requirement. And to create this X associative array, what we need to write now? Oh, type. Sorry. First anonymous block, right? What we write? Declare, begin, end, semicolon, slash. Define our own data type now. What is our own data type? Type. How to define our own data type? Type our own data type name. Num array is table of element data type. What is element data type? Number of 4, number of 2, any size. Then index by TLS underscore integer. So this is defining our own data type. Just like in the Java, you are defining class means you are defining your own data type. In C language, you are defining structure means that is your own data type. In the same way, here we are defining type means we are defining our own data type. Our own data type created. This numArray data type variable can hold number type elements, number type indexes. So for this our own data type, declare the variable x now. How to declare x variable? Which data type? NumArray data type. Okay. So NumArray data type variable can hold number type elements, number type indexes. So in the x I want to get values now. What we need to write? X colon equals to NumArray. What is this NumArray here? What is this NumArray? This is called collection constructor. This is called collection constructor. Okay, pass elements as arguments. So those elements we want to store in which collection? X. So call like this. So when we define our own data type num_array, implicitly this num_array function created, collection constructor created. Implicitly that is happening. So constructor means it is special function. Its name and data type name same. That function I'm calling. This is function call only. Every constructor call is method call or not? Method call only. Okay. Because constructor is a method. So this num_array is the collection constructor. This is function call only. Num_array of pass elements now. 50, 90, 30, 70. Right. Now I want to print first element 50, sir. What we have to write? X of 1. That's it. Code is over. Is it working or not? I want to test now. Save this now. Where? In the D drive. In the batch 2 p.m. folder. Sorry. In the batch 2 p.m. folder. File name. What happened to batch 2 p.m.? Okay. Give the file name here. What's the file name? I'm giving file name as collection demo1.sql. I want to compile and run this one. C ## batch 2 pm. Password is Naresh IT. Set server output on. Set verify off. Set page size 200. Line size 200. Clear the screen. Clear the screen. Compile now. @ batch 2 pm file name collection demo1.sql. See, sir. First element printed, observe. 50 printed. I want to get all elements now. To get all elements, so to print second element, x of 2. Third element, x of 3. Next element, x of 4. Now 4 elements will be printed. Observe now. 4 elements. So all are repetitive statements. Instead of writing same statement again and again, only indexes are different. Assume indexes as I tell starting value of index 1, ending value of index 4. When we know range of values, it is better to use for loop. For I in, I lower value, I upper value. Right. That's it. To indicate starting point of loop, to indicate ending point of loop, and loop. Save this. One more time I'm compiling and running. See, sir? All elements I'm getting observed. Instead of writing 1 here, it is better to write x dot first returns first index. To get last index, x dot last. Save it. Compile it. Same output we get now. Observe, sir. Same output we are getting, observe. So x dot first returns first index. X dot last returns last index. See? To prove that I'm printing x dot first value. I'm printing x dot first value. Next print x dot y value. No, sorry, x dot last value. Next, so first gives first index, last gives last index. First gives first index, last gives last index. Next, some more members are there like this. Like this, some more members are there. Those are next, x dot next of 2. The meaning of this one is next index of 2. What is next index of 2? Next index of 2 means 3. 3 we get. X dot next of 2 means we get 3, sir. So in front of this, if I write x here, I get x of 3 now. Like this, we can access next element. So to get next index, write x dot next of 2. Next index I'm getting. Once again, I'm telling x dot next of 2 means next index of 2 means we get 3. In front of x dot next of 2, I'm writing x here. So x of x dot next of 2 means x dot next of 2 value is 3. In front of that x is there, x of 3. Next element will be accessed. So this is a way of accessing next element. So to get previous index, prior member is there. Prior returns previous index. X dot prior of 2. What is the previous index of 2? What is the previous index of 2? 1 way. In front of this, if you write x, you get x of 1. That's it. These are collection members. Save it. Compile and run them. See, sir. X dot first is giving. This x dot first is giving first index. This x dot first is giving first index. X dot last is giving last index 4. X dot next of 2. X dot next of 2 is giving next index of 2. 3. X dot prior of 2. Previous index of 2 means 1. So these are collection members. First, last, next, prior. So collection members we are calling there. That's it. So this is first example on associative array. So here we are creating associative array. For our own data type, we are declaring variable. Here we are bringing values into X. Those X elements we are printing here. So now you know very clearly how to create associative array and how to access associative array elements. You know. Is it clear up to here? Online students, please confirm. Is it clear up to here? Very good. Next. But this is general programming. This is what general programming. This is general programming. Our PLSQL not developed for this general programming. PLSQL developed for database programming. In the collection store table data now. That we have to learn actually. So generally we will not call collection constructor like this. This is the first program. This is the last program. of using this collection construct. This is for general programming, but our PL SQL not developed for general programming. Our PL SQL developed for database programming. So in the collection, I want to hold multiple rows like cursor. So how to do that? What this we need to learn now. See one example, another example on associative array. Create an associative array as followed. See, the two columns. First column index, second column element. I already know this one. Later I write it. Understand this now. This is department table first row. This is department table second row. This is department table third row. Department table every row maintains one element here. So I want to hold multiple rows in the collection now. I want to hold multiple rows in the collection. First column index, second column element. First column index, second column element. D is associative array. Associative array is a table of two columns. First column index, second column element. I want to create D associative array like this. This is my requirement. Index 1, index 2, index 3. So this is our requirement. Department table, every row maintains one element here. First row is first element. Second row, second element. Third row, third element. First row is I'm sorry. First row is 10. Accounting department. Okay, so and so location. Maybe New York. 28 department. 28 department. Research department. Located Dallas. Okay, next. Department number 30. Sales department. Located Chicago. Like this. So like this I want to create now. This is my requirement. So I want to create the associative array. Associative array is a table of two columns. First one index, second one element. Department table, every row maintains one element here. First row, first element, second row, second element, third row, third element, like this. Now we need to declare D now. But to declare D, data type is not ready. I need to declare D now. To create D associative array must be declared now. But data type is not ready. So define our own data type, department array. How to define our own data type? Our own data type name, department array is a table of elementary data type. Observe here. Here each element which data type, sir? This element which data type? Element which data type, sir? Huh? Index which data type, sir? Index which data type, sir? Write that one only. Type name. Department array is table of. Give elementary data type. What is element data type? Department percentage row type. Department table entire row is one element. Element data type. Index by. Indexes are number type. So write BLS underscore integer. So this is defining our own data type. Department array is our own data type. Here we're declaring variable for our own data type. Okay. Now in the D, I want to get 10th department record. D created okay. D created okay. In the D, I want to get 10th department record. Where in the D of 1, I want to get 10th department record. In the D of 2, 20th department record I want to get. In the D of 3, I want to get 30th department record. Where is 10th department record? In the department table. From the department table, I want to get the data. Which command we have to write? Select. 10th department row I want to get star. Store into where? Store into D of 1. From where we are selecting? Department table. Which department's entire row we are selecting? Department number 10. With this select command, department number 10 entire row selected here. That will be copied into D of 1. So we get D of 1 like this. In the same way, D of 2, D of 3, D of 4, etc. That's it, sir. We got data in the collection now. Now you tell me how to access this 10. D of 1 dot department number. How to access Dallas? D of 2 dot location. How to access cells? D of 3 dot dname. That's it. This one only we are writing, sir. Now try to tell the code now. Take new file. Tell me, sir, anonymous block. How to define? Begin, end, semicolon, slash. Define our own data type. Our own data type name is department array is table of. Which type of elements we want to hold? Department percentage row type. Index by. Index data type. What is index data type? PLS underscore index. Okay. Declare variable for our own data type. D variable I want to declare. How to declare? D department array. In the D of 1, I want to get 10th department record. 10th department record is in the department table. So from the department table, select the 10th department row, copy into D of 1. What we write? D of 1 from department. From department where department number equals to 10. 10th department row will be stored in the D of 1. 20th department row will be stored in the D of 2. 30th department row will be stored in the D of 3. Total 4 departments are there. Total 4 departments are there. 40 department, day of 4. This is not best way. Later I tell best way. As of now, understand like this only. This one I will change later now. As of now, I'm writing like this only. Now, I want to print 10th department record now. Print the record. DBMS underscore. Output dot. Put underscore line. Now, how to access 10th department number? Very good. Concatenation operator. How to access department name? D of 1 dot D name. Concatenation operator. How to access location now? D of 1 dot location. Simple. If I write like this, 10th department record will be printed now. In the same way, I want to print 20th department record. D of 2. 30th department record. D of 3. 40th department record. D of 4. Like this we can write. Is it working or not? Check here. Collection demo 2. That is SQL. Save it. Compile and run this now. At the rate d colon slash batch 2 pm slash collection demo 2 dot SQL. Observe here. 10th department row printed. Observe, sir. We got 10th department record. In the same way, to print a 20th department record, D of 2. Or instead of writing same code again and again, assume index as I. Write this repetitive statement in the loop now. Assume index as I. Write loop like this. For loop variable. Lower value. Okay. How to access first index? Dot first. How to access last index? Dot last. Loop. End loop. Save it. Working or not test here. At the rate path. Observe here. All department table records it is printing. Observe. So just like in the cursor, we are holding multiple rows and processing them. In the collection, we are holding multiple rows and we are processing them, sir. Cursor purpose, collection purpose, same. Just like in the C1 cursor, we were holding multiple rows. Now here, in the D associative array, we are holding these multiple rows. What is happening? Let me explain. Understand here? Here we are defining our own data type. Okay. Here, because of this declaration, D created. D is associative array. Associative array is a table of 2 columns. First column index, second column element. First index in D of 1, 10th department row will be stored. In D of 2, 20th department row will be stored. In D of 2, 20th department row will be stored. In D of 3, 30th department row will be stored. In D of 4, 40th department row will be stored. So just like in the cursor, we are holding multiple rows. In the D collection, we are holding multiple rows. Observe, sir. So those rows only we are printing here. Is it clear up to here? But with this code, one problem is there. What is the problem? degrades the performance. If you want to use loop here, you can write this logic. Assume this index is as I. For department number logic, I'm writing as I into 10. I into 10. When I value is 1, 1 into 10, 10. Like this, I can use loop here. Even if you use loop here, loop is not solution for it. Loop also degrades the performance. So that is why I'm not using loop here. If you write like this also degrades performance. Even if you use loop, loop also degrades performance. So how to do this one? First understand the problem, then we can think about solutions. What's the problem with this code? Understand that first. See, what is happening here? Understand now? I am explaining execution process of PLSQL program. Our PLSQL program is executed by PLSQL engine. Our PLSQL program is executed by PLSQL engine. This PLSQL engine contains two parts mainly. One is PLSQL statement executor, and another one is SQL statement executor. Like these two parts are there in the PLSQL engine. This PLSQL statement executor can execute only PLSQL statements. SQL statement executor can execute only SQL statements. You already know this point. A PLSQL program contains SQL statements and PLSQL statements. Observe. Let me open if program. See here. Select command means SQL or PLSQL. Select command. Select SQL command. Select SQL command means this is SQL. If else if programming concept. So PLSQL. So our PLSQL program contains SQL statements and PLSQL statements. Update SQL or PLSQL. Commit SQL or PLSQL. If else if SQL or PLSQL. Okay. Put underscore line SQL or PLSQL. PLSQL. Like this. A PLSQL program contains SQL statements means queries and PLSQL statements also. So when I submit this program, if any PLSQL statement executor is found, if any PLSQL statement found, for example, these are PLSQL statements. If this code submitted to PLSQL statement executor, it can execute directly. But if any SQL statement found here, SQL statement cannot executed by PLSQL statement executor. So what it will do now? This select command, it submits to SQL statement executor. It executes select command now, selects the data, gives the result back to PLSQL statement executor. This one travel is called one context switch. This is called context switch. Once again, I'm telling. Listen. PLSQL statement Okay, our PLSQL program is executed by PLSQL engine. PLSQL engine contains two parts. One is PLSQL statement executor. Another one is SQL statement executor. PLSQL statement executor can execute only PLSQL statements. SQL statement executor can execute only SQL statements. Now, when this if-else-if code submitted, it can be executed directly by PLSQL statement executor. No problem. But here, when SQL statement is submitted to PLSQL statement executor, when this select command submitted to PLSQL statement executor, it cannot execute it. What PLSQL statement executor will do? Gives that select command to SQL statement executor. Now SQL statement executor executes select command, gives the result back to PLSQL statement executor. This one travel is called one context switch. Traveling from PLSQL statement executor to SQL statement executor and vice versa. Means from SQL statement executor to PLSQL statement executor. Okay, this one travel is called one context switch. So if number of context switch, did you understand the term context switch, sir? Now whatever I'm explaining, to understand that context switch term is important. Did you understand this term? What is context switch? Traveling from PLSQL statement executor to SQL statement executor and from SQL statement executor to PLSQL statement executor. This one travel is called one context switch. Is this point clear? Traveling from PLSQL statement executor to SQL statement executor and from SQL statement executor to PLSQL statement executor. This one travel is called one context switch. I'm sorry. This one travel is called one context switch. Next. Now come to our program now. Just now we defined this associative array program. Come to this associative array program, sir. Now you tell me now. Select SQL or PLSQL? SQL. Okay. For loop SQL or PLSQL? PLSQL. Okay. Now understand here. This PLSQL program we are submitting to PLSQL engine. So our PLSQL program is executed by PLSQL engine. So we are submitting our program to Oracle. So it is submitted to PLSQL engine. Now this is the select command. The select command submitted to PLSQL statement executor. It cannot execute select command. What it is doing? Submitting to SQL statement executor. Selecting 10th department row. Giving back to PLSQL statement executor. Giving back to PLSQL statement executor. Now we got 10th department row now. What this PLSQL statement executor will do? Copies into D of 1. Now we are getting 10th department row in the D of 1. That's it, sir. Is it clear up to here? How many context switches over now? One context switch, right? To execute one select command, one context switch over, observe. Like that, how many select commands are there? 4. How many context switches will occur? 4. Is it not time wasting process? Okay. Tomorrow, if a company has 50 departments, 50 context switches will occur. So it degrades the performance. Even if you use for loop here, for loop is executed by PLSQL statement executor. In the first select is there, again select is executed by SQL statement is again same number of context switches. Even if you use for loop here, same 4 context switches will occur. For loop is not solution here. Even if you use loop here, same 4 context switches will be there. If anyone is not understanding, for them, once again I'm telling, our PLSQL program is executed by PLSQL engine. PLSQL engine contains two parts. One is PLSQL statement executor. Another one is SQL statement executor. PLSQL statement executor can execute only PLSQL statements. SQL statement executor can execute only SQL statements. So this PLSQL program I am submitting to PLSQL engine. So this is select command cannot be executed by PLSQL statement executor. It is giving that select command to SQL statement executor. Now 10th department row selected. It is giving result back to the PLSQL statement executor. PLSQL statement executor is copying 10th department row into day of 1. With one context switch, we got 10th department row in the day of 1. Here second select command, second context switch. Third select command, third context switch. Fourth select command, fourth context. 4 context switches are occurring. If number of context switches are increased, performance will be degraded. So first understand the problem, then think about the solution, sir. Understand the problem here. One time it is going, one row it is bringing, sir. With the second travel, again another row it is bringing. With the second travel, second row it is bringing. 28 department. So with one travel, one row only it is bringing. That is the problem. What is the solution here? One time go here. Select 10th department row, 28 department row, 30 department row, 40 department row. Select all rows. Collect them. This process is called bulk collect. Bulk amounts of data I am collecting at a time. One time it is going. Collecting all rows. Submitting result back to PLSQL statement executor. How many context switches are occurring now? One. Improving performance or not? If we write like this, how many context switches are occurring? Four. One time it is going, 10th department row bringing. Second time it is going, 28 department row it is bringing. Third time it is going, 38 department row it is bringing. Fourth time it is going, 48 department record it is bringing. 4 context switches. Whereas, if I use bulk collect concept, one time it will go. 10th department row it collects, then 28 department row collects, 30 department row collects, 40 department row collects. Bulk amounts of data it is collecting. So this concept is called what? Bulk collect. Bulk collect. Typing mistake, sir. Bulk. B. Bulk collect. So one time it is going. Bulk amounts of data collecting at a time. Submitting back to PLSQL script executor. Now how many context switches are occurring? One. It improves the performance. Even if 100 rows are there, 1 lakh rows are there, 1 crore rows are there. With single context switch it brings. Okay, so it improves the performance. So how to use bulk collect now? See, how to use bulk collect I am telling, observe. So write like this. So instead of writing like this, select. What is this? Okay. See, maybe that is second program gone. Just a minute. Let me take new file here. Okay, observe now. This is a program, sir. Observe. If I write like this, 4 context switches. To improve the performance, use bulk collect. How to use bulk collect? Select columns list, bulk collect. Like this, right? Bulk collect keyword we use here. Select star bulk collect. That bulk amounts of data, where you want to store the tick. From which table you are selecting? Simple. Over. So which one is better now? Writing select command like this or loop like this or bulk collect? Which one is better, sir? Bulk collect is better. Why bulk collect is better? If you follow this way, how many context switches are occurring? 4. If number of context switches are increased, performance will be degraded. If I use bulk collect here, because of this bulk collect, what is happening? When this select command submitted to PL SQL statement executor, because of bulk collect, one time it is going collecting bulk amounts of data here, 10th department row, 20th department row, 30th department row, and 40th department row. Bulk amounts of data it is collecting. That collected data submitting back to PL SQL statement executor. So with one context switch, it is collecting bulk amounts of data. It is reducing number of context switches and it improves the performance. That is why they introduced bulk collect. Many interviewers ask this question, sir. What is bulk collect? Okay. Why we are using it? Like this interviewers may ask. This bulk collect word, keyword. Okay. Why we are using it? Bulk collect is the keyword. Why we are using that bulk collect keyword? With one context switch to collect the entire data at a time. We are using it. What is the advantage? Improves performance. It is performance tuning related concept. So when you learn performance tuning chapter, so there they explain this one only. The DBA course in the performance tuning, they explains these things only. Bulk collect, bulk bind, indexes, materialized views. These are all improves the performance. Okay, bulk collect. What bulk collect is doing? One time it is going collecting entire data with one context switch. Bulk collect is used to collect entire data at a time with one context switch. If anyone is asking why bulk collect, to collect entire data at a time with one context switch, we are using it till like this. So it improves the performance. Is it clear about bulk collect? Online students, is it clear about bulk collect? Bulk collect topic is over. For every collection program we write, sir, you must know this one. Otherwise, you cannot develop collection programs. Is it clear about bulk collect? At the rate d colon slash compelling and running at the rate d colon slash dash to d slash bulk collect that is at the rate d colon slash dash to d slash bulk collect with department. Department this program already written in the concern. This kind of programs already written in the concern of the printing or concern first our concern first program is this one only. Okay, so there is an all person, department all person is good. So bulk collector is working for me. So this is what bulk collector. Bulk collector after this one. So if anyone is asking what is bulk collector is used to collect entire data at a time with single context intelligence with single context. Why bulk collector is used to collect entire data at a time with one context. One time it is going to entire data and bringing. The name is giving the meaning. Bulk collector is collecting bulk amounts of data at a time. Bulk amounts of data is collecting. So it improves the performance. So this is a good bulk. Who's this? Mayur, Sujata, Kaveri, Ramanjanelu, Ganesh, Pashmarti. Okay. Wantedly I disconnected here. Wantedly I disconnected. I asked after completion of bulk collect. I asked that. Is it clear? I asked in the online. In the online, 28 members are there. No one is responding there. Why I have to give audio connection to you? Tell me why I have to give audio connection, sir? If you're not responding to my question, why I have to give audio connection to you? Why I have to give audio permission to you? Huh? Even here, some members they didn't notice that they are not getting voice also. Why they attend, I don't know. If you're not responding to me, why I have to give audio connection to you? Hmm? If voice is not coming, you are responding. Are you understanding means you are not responding? Okay. So Mike wantedly disconnected. Oh, they didn't understand this even situation also. Okay. Online students, listen. Just now you didn't get voice. Just now, okay, nearly 2 to 3 minutes. You didn't get voice. Okay, you didn't get my voice. Why you didn't get? I disconnected. I disconnected audio wantedly. I disconnected audio wantedly. Wantedly disconnected. Why I disconnected? You are not giving response to me. You are not understanding situation also. Okay, you are not giving responses to me. If I don't give if I don't get responses, why I have to give audio to you, sir? It is waste, right? Wantedly disconnected. I'm expecting responses from you. 28 members are there. Okay, did you understand bulk collect means if no one is responding, to whom I'm explaining, why I'm explaining, why I have to explain, why I have to give audio. Now I want to talk another important topic, bulk bind. Before going to talk about bulk bind, please confirm. If bulk collect is clear, I can move forward. Is it clear about bulk collect? Online students respond through the chat box. Is it clear about bulk collect? Next one. I want to introduce one more topic now. Bulk bind. Before going to introduce bulk bind, first I'm writing one program. This program already we did. Remember this statement. All programs of cursor we can also do. We can do using collection. All programs of cursor we can also do by using collection. All programs of cursor we can also do using collection because cursor purpose, collection purpose same. In the cursor chapter, many programs I explained. All those programs try with collection. Now I want to introduce one topic, bulk bind. Before that, see this program. This program already we did, but using cursor we did. This program. Increase salary of all employees according to hike table percentages. This is a program I explained in the cursor chapter. According to hike table percentages, increase the salary. Employee table has employees details. Hike table has hikes. How much percentage you want to increase? Those percentages are available. So according to hike table percentages, increase salary in the employee table. To the 1001 employee, increase 20%. What is 1001 employee salary? 10,000. How much we want to increase? 20%. How to increase? 10,000 plus 10,000 into 20 by 100. Is it correct, sir? So the 1002 employee increase 10% on his salary. 1002 employee salary 30,000. So increase 10%. 30,000 into 10 by 100. To the 1003 employee increase 15%. 20,000 plus 20,000 into 15 by 100. So like this, according to hike table percentages, increase salary in the employee table. This is our requirement. To different employees, we want to give different hike. The first employee increase 20%, to the second employee 10%, to the third employee 15%, like this. According to hike table percentages, increase salary in the employee table. Did you understand the question? This program already we did using cursor. Same program I want to do using collection. So what is the main logic here? Main point here? Hold hike table all rows in the collection. Create H collect associative array. Hike table every row maintain as one element here. Hike table first row, first element. Hike table second row, second element. Hike table third row, third element. Like this. Every row maintain as one element. Hike table first row, first element. Second row, second element. Third row, third element. Hike table all rows hold in the associative array H. So you already know associative array is a table of two columns. What are those two columns? Index, element. Is index. This one is element. So associative array is a table of two columns. First column index, second column element. Like this, I want to create H associative array. This is my requirement. So create H associative array like this. So this associative array is a table of two columns. That's it, sir. Like this, I want to create. This is my requirement. Okay. First index 1, second index 2, and third index 3. So this H associative array we have to create now. Now you tell me now how to access 1001. H of 1 dot implied. How to access 20? H of 1 dot P. Now I'm writing the program, observe now. So according to these hike table percentages, we want to increase salary in the employee table. So hike table all rows hold in the H collection. So I want to declare H now. To declare H, data type is required, but data type is not ready. For associative array, there is no data type. There is no ready-made data type. Define our own data type. Our own data type name is hike array. Hike array is our own data type name. How to define our own data type? Type, type name, hike array is a table of element data type. What is element data type? Hike percentage row type. Index by. Index by. What is index data type? PLS underscore integer. Index data type. Index by PLS underscore integer. That's it, sir. Here we are defining our own data type. For our own data type, we are declaring the variable. Define our own data type, declare variable, creating associative array. Associative array created. Now with one context switch, bring all hike table rows. With one context switch, okay, collect all hike table rows. What we are right now? Use bulk collect. How to use bulk collect? Select star columns list. With one context switch, I want to collect bulk amounts of data. I want to collect. What we are right? Bulk collect. That collected data where we want to store. From which table we are selecting? Very good. That's it. Now I want to increase the salary now. How to increase the salary? How to increase the salary? In which table? Set salary equals to salary plus salary into. Okay. How to access this 20 now? H of 1 dot P. So we want to increase 20%. So write H of 1 dot P. 20% by 100. Where? Where employee ID equals to? Where employee ID equals to? How to access this employee ID 1001 now? h of 1 dot employee id. H of 1 dot employee. So what happens now? H of 1 dot employee id value is 1001, 1001. H of 1 dot pr value is 20. To the 1001 employee, 20% will be increased. If you want to increase salary to second employee, what we have tried here? H of 2. If you want to increase salary to third employee, what we have tried here? H of 3. Can we use loop here? Assume index is as I. What is I starting value? H dot first. What is I ending value? H dot. That's it, sir. Salary will be increased to all employees. Did you get some idea? Can you tell the code now? Tell me. Anonymous block. What we have tried? Define our own data type. How to define our own data type? Type. What is the type name? Hey, array. Is a table of. Is table of element data type. Hey, percentage row type. Index by. Index data type. PLS underscore integer. Declare variable for our own data type. Hey, array. Very good. With one context switch, collect entire data, copy into H. What we have to do? Select star bulk collect. So one time it will go. All hike table rows it brings. Copy into H now. What we have tried? Into H. From hike. Okay. Increase the salary now. How to increase the salary? Update employee. Set salary equals to salary plus salary into how much percentage? S of I dot PR by 100. Where? To whom? Employee equals to H of I dot employee. H of I dot employee. Okay. So this code we need to write in the loop now. This is starting point of loop. This is ending point of loop. Right, for loop here. For in. How to access first index? How to access last index? It's not. That's it. To save these actions, come in. To display the message, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line salary increase it to all employees. Salary increase it to all employees. That's it. Save it. Collection demo 3 dot SQL. Observe here. Compile and run this. Okay, first tables are not ready here. Okay, tables are not ready. Let me create the tables now. Create table, employee, employee ID, number of 4, ename, worker, 2 of 10, salary, number of 8, 2. Table created. Insert the records. Insert into employee values 1001 A employee. Salary 20,000. 1002 B employee. Salary 10,000. This is the data. Commit. Hike table I am creating. Create table hike. Okay, employee ID, number of 4, percentage float. Right close semicolon. Hike table create object. Insert into hike values to the 1001 employee increase 20%. To the 1002 employee increase 10%. Save it. Both tables are ready. Observe now. Select star from employee. Employee table is ready. Select star from hike. Hike table also ready. What is our requirement now? According to hike table percentages, increase salary in this employee table. To the 1001, increase 20% on his salary. To the 1002, increase 10% on his salary. So just now we defined this program. This program only I'm running now. Working or not, check here. At the rate d:// batch 2 pm / collection demo 3 dot SQL. See here, salary increase it to all. Increased or not, check in the table. Okay, I'm sorry. Check in the table. Previously, this was 20,000. This was 10,000. Now it is 24,000. It is 11,000. Our code is working perfectly. Previously, this was 20,000. Now it is 24,000. Previously, this was 10,000. Now it is 11,000. So according to hike table percentages, salary increased in the employee table. Okay. Did you understand this code, sir? But this code degrades the performance. Where? Here. This code degrades the performance. How it is degrading performance? Understand now. How it is degrading performance? See, see, sir. For loop, is it SQL or PL SQL? Update SQL or PL SQL? Here it increases number of context switches now. Understand this? This for loop submitted to Oracle PL SQL engine. Now this PL SQL statement executor taking I value as 1. When I value is 1, first update command generated. That update command submitting to SQL statement executor. So it is updating first employee salary. Then updated or not, giving result back. Observe. One time it is going, one employee salary updated. Next again, PL SQL statement executor making I value as 2. When I value is 2, second update command generated. Second time it is going, second employee record it is updating. Next, again in the PL SQL statement executor, I value it makes as 3. When I value is 3, third context switch, third employee salary increase, giving result back. Like that, assume that 10,000 employees are there. How many context switches will occur, sir? 10,000 context switches. Degrading performance. Problem. So to improve the performance, we use bulk bind concept. Okay. So topic is not over. For bulk bind, here we have to define for all here, but time is over. Okay, topic is not over, but time is over. So that is why I'm stopping the session here. Tomorrow come with fresh mind. So tomorrow in the beginning, I explain about this bulk bind. Okay, then after bulk bind, uh, if any, that nested table is there and VRA is there, those also I will explain. And tomorrow I finish this collections topic. After that, I explain about dynamic SQL. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. Online students, if you have any doubts, type in the chat box. Otherwise, you can leave. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I'm leaving the session. See you tomorrow.